So storing your microgreens. So I've harvested 4 of the varieties there. You can harvest as many as you want, as few as you want. Keep them in different containers. Commercially, we had some little punnets we used to pack them into for each variety. We did make mixes up, certain specific mixes up. So for farm shops and whatnot. But this is the best way to do it, is literally have them, because they're dry from not having the water, you've done it in the morning, and just put them in a container like this if you want to store them, and then obviously just putting a lid on top and putting them into the fridge. If you left them on the side, you'll just notice they kind of wilt a little bit. So the best thing is airtight container into the fridge, and then you've always got them on hand, you can come back to them. And that's it, and they look quite pretty like that. You should be proud of your harvest.